Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nashwa Azwa. Today I would like to present the panel of master plan. The master plan concept is circular city. The slogan of circular city is rehabilitation and regenerative the design. Firstly, this is a master plan of Batu Gajah. The master plan in Batu Gajah that I provide is first crossing zebra. Make a design of cross zebra for attract user to use. 2. Make a renew bus stop, put the green element for achieve the strategy concept circular city. 3. Provide more street furniture like a bench in commercial area. The color red and pattern locking block. This is pedestrian and bike lane along the commercial area. Red. This red. Okay. This is detail layout development. Firstly, number lot 270 until 281. Conservation the old building by painting the orange color and repair the windows. 2. Provide open cafe for add new commercial activity. 3. Provide pocket park. The pocket park has a water fountain, has a water fountain. The other water fountain have a gazebo. 4. Number lot 141 until 1229. Adjustment of backline for provide mural art in commercial center area. 5. Provide backland comprehensive in the center business area. This area. Okay. 6. Provide back rental in green park for tourism user. 7. Provide a playground for children in green park. And the green park have a bench and gazebo. 8. Provide the pedestrian along commercial area to connect the other side. This is before and after recommendation. The green area have provide a playground and backline in Jalan Pasar. This the old building to provide the mural art in 95 Jalan Besar. This is to provide a streetscape along the road in Batu Gajah for achieve the concept circular city. Other than that, have a planting area in pedestrian and backline for avoid the hot weather. This is crossing zebra. This is designed to provide in crossing zebra for attract the user to use. This is conservation the old building in number 70 Jalan Pejabat Post to color the orange and repair the windows. This is placed at parking area to provide open cafe to add a new activity commercial and provide the street furniture along the open cafe. This is before and this is after. Locking block to pedestrian and this is back lane for used to connect the commercial area. This is plan detail 3D top view that I choose. This area at mural art, and this is Backland. This is Pocket Park, and this is streetscape along the road. And lastly, this is plan landscape. The landscape that I choose to planting the area of Batu Gajah is, first I choose is Exoria semensis, 2 Redstonia, 3 Almanda catarrhatica, 4 lavender, 5 shrub semerak merah, 6 shrub mounding erica, 7 tree Chemesperis arbutus. That's all for me. Thank you.